Today we will discuss about curriculum transaction. These are the steps for a school development plan. Step 1. Understanding and analyzing school situation. Prepare format for developing a school profile. Step 2. Identification of requirements and action areas. Step 3. Formation of teams. Step 4. Setting priorities. Step 5. Setting goals. Step 6. Current year priorities, goals, key issues. A lesson plan is a teacher's detailed description of the course of instruction or learning trajectory for a lesson. Its details will depend on the preference of the teacher, subject being covered, and the needs of the students. There may be requirements mandated by the school system regarding the plan. The lesson plan helps students learn new material and understand how the individual lesson fits in with their general knowledge. Additionally, it helps teachers keep tabs on student comprehension. The 5 steps involved are the anticipatory set, introduction of new material, guided practice, independent practice, and closure. 5 parts of a lesson plan. Objectives. Write what you expect your students will do by the end of the lesson. For example, by the end of the lesson, students will be able to pronounce, identify, put words in sentences, change into passive, compare, answer, use, match, etc. Warm up. Revise the previous lesson. Check homework. Orally correct common mistakes, etc. Or any other activity that can activate students and prepare them to receive the new material. Presentation. Present the new material using the suitable techniques. Write the procedures that you will follow to explain the new material. Practice. It is the work done by the students, whether it is controlled, guided, or free. Students answer some exercises based on the material presented. These exercises are often there on the set book. Assessment. Write some sentences on the board or distribute printed papers to see whether the objectives were achieved or not, and to check whether the students learned or not according to the objectives. If not, you should reteach the lesson using different techniques. A teacher's scheme of work is therefore his plan of action, which should enable him or her to organize teaching activities ahead of time. Types of lesson plans. 5-step lesson plan, 5E lesson plan, weekly lesson plan, unit plan, inquiry-based plan, inquiry-based lesson plan. The 5 steps lesson plan involved are the anticipatory set, introduction of new material, guided practice, independent practice, and closure. The 5E lesson plan format asks teachers to list components that deal with engaging, explaining, exploring, elaborating, and evaluating. This lesson plan begins with a question or brief activity that hooks or engages students at the beginning of the lesson. In the second phase, the teacher lectures or provides a video, reading passage or demonstration to explain the material and its key terms. After explaining the concept, a teacher must show what activity students will complete to help them explore the material. These activities can include stations, cooperative learning groups, games, worksheets, or other instructional methods. The fourth component, elaborating, can be compared to independent practice. Activities should help students apply the concept to a variety of situations. This work can be completed in class or as a homework assignment. Each 5-year lesson plan ends with an evaluation component to determine whether students have learned the material. This can come in the form of a formal project, book, report, or a model. They can make a mind book or a drawing and illustrate the fact what they learned. The teacher can now easily grade or make note of what is learned and of what needs to be taught. Weekly lesson plan. The purpose of weekly lesson plan is to help the teachers to manage and get organized in their class schedule. It is a way of recording and monitoring the lesson plans to be taken for a span of 1 week. Steps for weekly lesson plan. Identify the objectives. Determine the needs of your students. Plan your resources and materials. Engage your students. Instruct and present information. Allow time for student practice. Ending the lesson. Evaluate the lesson. Good lesson planning is essential to the process of teaching and learning. They are skills that must be researched, structured to your individual style, implemented in a teaching learning situation, and constantly evaluated and revamped when necessary. Thank you.